Hi everyone, my name is Lydia. Welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new, welcome if you're not new. Today we are starting another week of What's for Dinner. Today is Tuesday, August 11th. Till yesterday we just had leftovers and whatnot, so there was really nothing to film. But today we're starting cooking again for this week. I went for a walk this morning, went to Kroger with Lucas, didn't really find much. Literally I found like 2 markdowns, that's it. And so I came home, I washed some turkey that I had in, like turkey spine and legs and stuff, in the freezer, seasoned it, put it in my crock pot, and then I'm also gonna make spaghetti. So let me turn you guys around and show you what's going on. So far it is 9 o'clock in the morning and I'm gonna have my coffee. I cannot wait to have my coffee. Okay, so here's the turkey, very simple, salt, pepper, poultry seasoning. I'm gonna put a lid on it and then people will eat on this. It'll be gone by tonight. I'm actually gonna start some coffee for me and then also some scrambled eggs. So let me show you that as well. Okay, you guys, so here is my breakfast. I've been doing intermittent fasting, did my walk. While doing the intermittent fasting, I'm trying to just get healthier whenever I can. My meals are not gonna always be healthy, but I'm trying, you guys, I'm trying. So we have coffee, and then I wanted to show you guys, this is like my new favorite obsession right now, the almond milk and oat milk Starbucks caramel macchiato. So delicious. I have scrambled eggs with some bacon crumbles, sesame seeds, and a bunch of veggies. I'm gonna take my coffee in this outside and eat it outside. It's overcast today. Oh, let me turn you guys around. So you guys, last week we had so much smoke. I know Kendra from Kendra Full of Joy, by the way, go check out her channel. She's an amazing woman. She was asking me, I have to respond, by the way, Kendra. I saw your message. It popped up on my thing and I just have to sit down and respond. But she was asking me if we had smoke in the air. We sure did. Last week, everything was closed. Our windows, doors, we had to keep it closed because it was so bad and we like tried not to go outside. This week, the smoke is gone. There's wildfires everywhere. We're okay, we're safe. We just got smoked out. Like there was ash on my car. Last Wednesday, I went to go grocery shopping. There was so much ash on my car. So needless to say, we're back to fresh, beautiful, crisp air. It's actually overcast. It's lovely. I think it was like, it's in the 60s, I think like 60 degrees. If I'm not mistaken right now, it's beautiful. So I'm gonna go and enjoy this beautiful fresh air. Like once you don't have it, you crave it. We take stuff for granted. So thank you God for fresh air. Okay guys, so I had 3 like different types of pasta, macaroni, like elbow macaroni, bow ties, and spaghettis, and I just wanted to use up, there wasn't enough for like a meal, so I just throw them all in. And today we have 3 different types of pasta, and that's fine. I have a bunch of garlic, I have a bunch of parsley, I have marinara sauce, I have some grated Parmesan cheese and dehydrated onions that I'm hydrating. I'm gonna saute the onions with the ground beef and then add all these. And then I pulled out of the freezer some garlic bread that's going in our air fryer. And this is a really quick meal. We're gonna have this for, well, lunch and dinner, I guess, for the kiddos. And then after they eat, we're gonna go into the pool. Here's the spaghetti and garlic bread, and there's more than enough for everyone to eat for lunch and dinner. And that's it. Super simple. The turkey's almost done in the crock pot. I will take that out. People can eat on that as well. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, you guys, so it is Tuesday night and I want to show you, I'm taking out 2 huge packs of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I'm going to thaw them out overnight in the sink. I'm going to make a crock pot meal. Hawaiian teriyaki chicken basically is chicken thighs, a can of pineapple with some of the juice and teriyaki sauce, and it's gonna be delicious. And then my husband also took out this hard salami from the freezer. He said to let it thaw out and he is gonna snack on it, or whoever wants to snack on it. Also, I wanted to show you guys, I'm opening up this can of chopped onions, dehydrated chopped onions. I love this stuff. I think this is my 3rd can I'm going through. It just makes throwing onions into food so easy. Certain things I'll rehydrate it before putting it in. Like in my spaghettis, I just put it in a bowl with some water before straining it and putting it into my sauce. But for soups and stuff, I just take a handful and throw it in there. I love this stuff, and I have a lot of these Angus Farms dehydrated stuff, and I want to use them up, so I'm opening my 3rd can. Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday morning. Everyone is sleeping in the house. I went for my walk. I came back. It started raining this morning. It feels amazing. I'm gonna make polenta. I have water coming to a boil. I have cornmeal. I'm gonna make polenta, and then I'm gonna saute some of these bacon crumbles and 1 egg, and then I took out some of this mozzarella shreds that's dairy-free from the freezer, so I can put it throughout the polenta. It's gonna be so creamy, ooey gooey, and I cannot wait, and so satisfying. I cannot wait to have this. You guys, this is one of my favorite meals on this planet. Polenta with bacon crumbles and a egg that's ooey gooey. I'm going to eat this and enjoy it. Okay, so let's put this Hawaiian chicken together. Usually I like to use red bell peppers, but all I have is 2 yellow ones, so I'm gonna use those up. I have some red diced onion that I wanna use up, so I'll toss that in. I have the chicken. I'm not even going to, well, maybe I should cut it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cube it and then just add some pineapple and the juice, and obviously not this whole bottle because it's huge of teriyaki, but some of it. And this is my actually most favorite teriyaki sauce on earth. It has sesame seeds, garlic, everything. It's like the perfect sweet and savory combination. You guys, I just roughly cut it into bite-sized pieces. I dumped everything in here, salt and peppered, and I used about half of the bottle of the teriyaki sauce. The rest will go in my fridge. I'm gonna set this on high. It smells fantastic. Okay, you guys, so here is some cabbage. I just kind of sliced them up, and I just put a little bit of this avocado oil, salt and pepper, and I'm gonna put it in the oven at 445, and I'm gonna use these shredded like this, like noodles, to put my teriyaki chicken on top. Here is my food, you guys, the teriyaki chicken. I just turned it off. It's still bubbling. I did put some cornstarch just to thicken it up. Look at that. This is so delicious. I made rice for whoever wants rice. I just have that roasted cabbage underneath. And this is a lot of food. So delicious. I hit it with black sesame seeds. Okay, so today is Thursday, and today we're just eating leftovers. We have plenty of them. So I just have the rice and the Hawaiian chicken with some of these black sesame seeds. I don't have any more of the cabbage, so I'm just gonna have it over some rice. Yeah, so we're just doing leftovers. Today we're focusing on dusting, cleaning, laundry, since we're not in the kitchen cooking all day. Just kind of resetting the house, and that's about it. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy Friday, everyone. Today is finally Friday, and I'm going to make chili. I like to add this pork chorizo that's grounded up to my ground beef when I make chili. It just gives it a lot of flavor. I'm gonna add an onion, some garlic. I usually add chili seasoning. I don't have any. I would go for the taco seasoning. I don't have any, so I have fajita seasoning. I'm gonna add that, but the chorizo is gonna add a lot of flavor. We have a bunch of different cans. I found this like little chocolate cake thing in my pantry. I'm gonna make that also. So let's assemble this, and then we'll plate it up. So you guys, this is all the cooking I'm gonna be doing for the chili. I just have the onion, the chorizo, the ground beef, garlic, seasoning, and I'm pre-cooking it. And then once it's fully cooked, I'm gonna put it in my crock-pot, which I have to say is preheating, because you don't put hot stuff in a cold crock-pot and then bring it up. So my crock-pot is preheating. That way, or coming up to temperature, that way it's not gonna crack. So here is this Trader Joe's chocolate peppermint loaf. I actually got this from there. I remember they were giving them out for free. I think they were past their Best By date. Yeah, so Best By October of 2025. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna cook up, it's gonna rise, and it's gonna be delicious, and we're gonna enjoy it. And I forgot to show you guys, I had another quiche in the oven, and I popped it in the oven. I had it in the freezer, thawed it out, and popped it in the oven. I thought I hit record when I popped it in the oven, but apparently it didn't. So here it is. This is what we're gonna have for breakfast, and it smells fantastic. Chili is done, you guys. Smells fantastic, looks fantastic. Food is ready. It's like 11 o'clock in the morning, and food is done. Here it is, all nice and done. It's still a little warm. Smells fantastic. That's gonna be it for today. This is what we're making. I just finished cleaning out the fridge. I had some groceries delivered, and Now we can focus on other things, and I will see you guys. It's Saturday, and I have baked potatoes that just finished in the crock pot, and we're gonna eat chili over them. So that's what we're having because we have leftover chili, and these smell fantastic. Let me show you guys my lunch. I have a tomato. I have some bacon from the European store, some onions that I soaked, raw onions that I soaked in water just to take the little kick off, mustard, and some bread. Okay, so here's my husband's potato with chili. You added some onions and sour cream.
Yes.
Are you gonna add the jalapenos?
That's right.
Yeah, he loves jalapenos. So that's his plate. That's what the gist of it is, and we will see. Okay, so this is Noah's potato. What'd you put on it?
Bacon bites and cheese.
Bacon bites and cheese. Very simple, but very delicious. You guys, it is Saturday night, and I want to show you. We pulled out of the freezer burgers, wings, pork chops. They're all thawing out. Tomorrow we're gonna grill them. I don't have hamburger bread, but I have these, so that will do. And then I also took out 2 things of hot dogs that are in the fridge, just thawing out. So happy Sunday morning to everyone. So before going to church, I have the pork chops washed and seasoned, and this is the seasoning that I used. The burgers are still kind of frozen in the middle, so we're gonna leave those out. And then the chicken wings, we're just waiting for them to thaw out a little bit more. I'm gonna wash them and season them. And then when we come back, I'll show you how we grill everything, and it's gonna be okay. You guys, we are back from church. This is what's going on. Obviously, we're not eating all of this today. We will have leftovers and just eat it throughout the week. And let me show you what I have ready in the house. We're definitely using up what we have. I have 2 packets of Northside rice over here. We have the pita bread that I toasted up, and we're gonna be using those as the hamburger buns. Some condiments. I don't have any wing sauce, and I don't have any barbecue sauce, but I have this deep roasted sesame sauce. If someone wants to throw some of that on their wings, that's fine. Caesar salad. I don't have lettuce, but we have the Caesar salad. I don't have sliced cheese, but we have shredded cheese for anyone who wants to put it on their burgers. Okay, so here's my plate. I'm having a little bit of everything. The pork chops are not done, but that's okay. There's plenty of food. I'm not having the rice, but I'm having a little bit of everything else. This is what's already cooked, and I'm gonna have it with a nice cold crisp Coke. So that is what we're having. All right, so here's the wings, the pork chops, everything. It's delicious. We're gonna enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed this week of What's for Dinner. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. It's free, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.